Welcome to the Learning Speaking English channel. Let me begin with a simple question. Have you ever felt your heart beating so fast, your hands trembling, and your voice fading away the moment you had to speak English in front of others? Perhaps you knew exactly what you wanted to say, but the words refused to come out. Maybe your mind went completely blank. And in that moment, you thought to yourself, why can't I speak fluently like other people? If this has ever happened to you, let me tell you something important, you are not alone. Millions of learners all over the world experience the same fear. But here is the good news, this fear is not permanent. It can be overcome. In this video, through a powerful story and some life-changing lessons, I am going to show you how to defeat your fear of speaking English and unlock your true confidence. So stay with me until the end, because by the time you finish watching, you will feel a new energy, a new motivation, and a new courage to speak English without fear. Let me tell you a story about a young student named Ria. She was just like many of you. She loved English. She enjoyed reading English stories, writing essays, and watching English movies. But when it came to speaking, everything changed. Whenever her teacher asked her to stand up and speak a few lines in English, she froze. Her heart started racing, her palms became sweaty, her legs felt weak, and the words that were inside her mind simply refused to leave her lips. Sometimes her classmates giggled at her mistakes. A few even laughed out loud when she mispronounced a word. That day, Ria felt deeply embarrassed. She went home and cried. She told herself, maybe I'm just not good at speaking English. Maybe I should remain silent. But deep down, she wanted to change. She wanted to speak like her favorite YouTubers, like the confident news anchors, like those people who spoke without hesitation. Does this sound familiar to you? Maybe you also know the grammar rules. Maybe you know hundreds or even thousands of English words. But when the moment to speak arrives, something inside you holds you back. Now let me ask you, what exactly are you afraid of when you speak English? Is it the fear of making grammar mistakes? Is it the fear of people laughing at you? Or is it the fear that you are simply not good enough? Think about it carefully, because the first step in overcoming fear is understanding it. Once you understand it, you can defeat it. One day, Ria met her cousin, who had just returned from studying abroad. Her cousin spoke English so fluently that Ria felt a little jealous. She thought, wow, she must be perfect. She probably never makes any mistakes. So she asked her cousin, how do you speak so confidently? Don't you ever worry about making mistakes? Her cousin laughed and replied, of course I make mistakes. Everyone does. But I don't care about being perfect. I care about being understood. People are not counting my grammar errors, they're listening to my ideas, my feelings, and my message. That one sentence completely changed Ria's mindset. She realized that confidence is more important than perfection. Think about children. When a child learns to speak their first language, do they know grammar rules? No. They simply speak. They make hundreds of mistakes, yet they continue communicating. They keep learning and improving. So why should you be afraid of making mistakes in English? Mistakes are not a sign of weakness, they are proof that you are learning. People don't remember your mistakes, they remember your energy, your smile, and your confidence. After hearing her cousin's advice, Ria decided to take action. She didn't wait for a miracle. She didn't wait to become perfect. She began to practice every single day. Every morning, she stood in front of the mirror and spoke English sentences to herself. At first, she felt awkward and a little silly. But slowly, she grew used to it. Every evening, she recorded her voice on her phone. At first, she hated hearing her own voice, but then she realized it wasn't as bad as she thought. Day by day, her speech improved. She also made a promise to herself to use English in small conversations with friends. It could be something as simple as, "How are you today?" or "I'll see you tomorrow." These were short but powerful steps. And you know what happened? Her fear started to shrink. It didn't disappear completely, but it no longer controlled her. So how can you do the same? Let me share with you 3 powerful practices that can change your confidence if you follow them daily. First, mirror practice. Stand in front of the mirror and speak to yourself for 5 minutes every day. No one is watching. You can express yourself freely. Second, voice recording. Record your English on your phone. Listen to it, notice your mistakes, and notice your progress. Third, small conversations. Begin with just 1 sentence a day. Then increase to 2, then 5. Gradually, you'll build fluency. These 3 steps are simple, but if you do them daily, they will completely transform your speaking confidence. Now think about the first time you learned how to ride a bicycle. Did you ride it perfectly the first time? Of course not. You probably lost balance. Maybe you even fell. But you stood up again and tried once more. And finally, one day, you were riding smoothly and freely. Speaking English is exactly the same. You cannot improve without making mistakes. Every mistake is not a step backward, it's a step forward. About a month later, Ria's teacher asked her to speak in front of the class again. At first, she felt nervous. But then she remembered her cousin's advice: confidence is more important than perfection. She smiled, took a deep breath, and began speaking. She made a couple of small mistakes, but this time she didn't stop. She continued with courage. And guess what? No one laughed. Instead, her classmates clapped for her. Some even told her, "You spoke really well today." That day, Ria realized something powerful. Her fear had never been real. It was an illusion created by her own mind. And the moment she faced it, it started to disappear. So here is the third important lesson for you: change your mindset. Stop saying, "I can't speak English." Start saying, "I'm learning, and I'm improving every single day." When you speak negatively to yourself, your brain believes it. But when you speak positively, your brain believes that too. So give your mind positive, encouraging thoughts. Remember, fear will never disappear completely. Even great speakers, world leaders, and famous YouTubers feel nervous before speaking. The secret is not to wait until fear disappears. The secret is to speak even when fear is present. That is courage. That is growth. If you wait to speak until you feel no fear, you may wait forever. But if you take one small step today, you will surprise yourself with how strong you truly are. Today, Ria is a confident English speaker. She gives presentations, speaks to strangers, and even helps other students improve their English. Her journey started with fear but ended with freedom. Your journey can be exactly the same. You don't need to wait for tomorrow. You don't need to wait until you are perfect. All you need is to take one step today. So my dear friends, let's quickly repeat the 3 golden lessons. 1. Confidence is more important than perfection. 2. Practice daily, mirror practice, voice recording, and small conversations. 3. Change your mindset, accept mistakes as part of the journey and keep learning. Now it's your turn. Stand up right now, take a deep breath, and say one English sentence out loud. Don't wait. Start today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more powerful lessons. And don't forget to comment below and tell us, what is your biggest fear when speaking English? I would love to read your answers. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember, your voice deserves to be heard. Speak with confidence. Speak without fear. And the world will listen.